Coming up now, headed our way, headed north towards turn number 1, just across the Fountain Blue is your leader in Supercat Team STIHL. He's put about an extra 3-second lead on Lori Blue.
As you can see, we've had the big winds coming out of the east, so it's going to be rough out there today. We're looking at 3 and 4 foot seas at a minimum, but we're going to go out. You know, we are in a points chase with the Lori Blue, so we're going to go out there and run it hard. We're not going to back down a bit. We're been in a lot of rough water races, and you know, Grant's a great throttleman in the rough stuff. So we're going to go out there and we're going to give it everything we got. We're going to put it down, and we're going to have to run them down and catch them. We're here to win. So no prisoners today.
Come on, babies. Come on.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, just bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see the storm. Go ahead and stop me. I'm impatient. See
We got the fuel for the boat, started airing it out a little bit, and started hunting them down. We could tell we were gaining a little bit every lap, and then I think halfway or 3/4 of the way through the race, down the backstretch, we caught him, and we passed him in the north turn, and after that we pulled away a few seconds, and I think towards the end of the race he just started playing off a little bit. But yeah, the boat ran great, but it was definitely rough out there. There was some exciting moments.
You have to maintain your lane, so this could be interesting. Our camera vantage point only can see about a quarter of the north turn. Look at it.